Well, I've been traveling a lot and I haven't done this camera installation. We're gonna get to do it today. Seen all the templates, basic instructions here. These are pads if you need to install them. So here's the solar panel. We live in Florida, so no issues with the sun here. Here's the actual camera. So my idea is to install it in that corner of the backyard. I do have a flashlight there. Well, now it's daylight, so it doesn't turn on, but I don't have anything to keep an eye on here. So the idea is to put it back here in this corner. So if anybody gets in through that door or that door at the end, we will see it. Let's get to it. This is going to be the ideal location for it. I have these LED lights that are really bad. They didn't last too long. So I think this is going to go here. And obviously I'm going to put better screws for it. It'll go right there. And I can install the solar panel can be just up here. I mean, I'm going to install it properly so it doesn't move or blow away. So let's get to it. So there you go, it's already installed. I put the solar panel on top of here. I was using a drill, power drill, to do the holes here, but I have to say these screws that come with the camera are not the best quality, or maybe I just had too much torque in my drill. So now we're gonna connect it here. We have to secure the excess wire in there. It seems that it's on now, or maybe it needs to charge. I'm gonna wait a little bit and come back later. Yeah, it's not turning on yet. So the installation is done, very easy. I'll be back. So here we are. The camera has been out for a couple of days now. I tried to finish the video, but I got busy with something else. So the controls are here underneath, as you can see. On now. This is the power button. Preparations before setting the camera. This 4G camera does not support Wi-Fi, and it can only work locally. If you want to buy a cellular security camera working in another country, you need to buy the global version. Now the next thing is to download the app. There it is.
Insert the SIM card, install the camera, install the antenna, then power on the device. The blue LED will light up. After about 1 minute, click Next. Scan the QR code on the camera to connect to your phone. Click Next. Enter the camera name and address. Using default name and address can go to the next step directly. Camera installed successfully. Fully charge the camera at first use.
So it seems that we installed it properly or successfully, but upside down. So I'm gonna have to turn it because I'm seeing here the image is the other way around. So let me change that. There you go. So now, yeah, I'm there. Let's go inside because we're gonna get a better view there. So I don't know if you can see it, but the camera is all the way back there in the corner. We can see everything now here. Tap to switch between HD and HD video, pictures, voice, record, and Have to switch to the iCloud. Well, we're not doing that for now. Well, the camera is on now. Very good view of it. Let's see if we can control it from here. We should be able to. Oh, there you go. Here are the controls. So that's pointing out to the backyard, to my back neighbor. This is more to the front of the house, that alley that I was talking about. That's probably a good view of it, so I can see if anyone enters through here, through the back door, and I can still think. And this follows. You can take a picture here. You can give alerts. Hi, who is this? Well, you don't hear it, but it's over there. So very good camera, I have to say. It was easy to install, easy to monitor here. I'm gonna wait till it's dark. We're gonna do a demonstration of the night vision, which is pretty good too. So here we are. It's already dark, and as you can see in the back, the camera is on. It detected my presence immediately, and you can see how good the image is with that light on. So let's go and see what happens here when it sees me. There it is. I am here. Pretty good image here. So I'm gonna go to a party now. We'll check it from there. Pretty good image here. So I'm gonna go to a party now. So there's the flashlight that I was telling you before. Should turn on now. There you go. So we're pretty well protected now with this light and the camera in the back. Pretty good product actually. I'll go to the party and monitor it from there. So maybe you can hear the music in the back. I'm leaving the party and I can check my house remotely. Everything seems perfect. The image is really, really clear. Overall, I think it's a very good product, easy to install and easy to monitor. So thumbs up to this camera.